guys, it's 9th Street Auto Plaza in Mount Carmel, Illinois. I have a 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. This has a 3.6 liter V6 engine with 146,000 miles. I'm going to walk around the vehicle, show you any imperfections I see. Starting with the front end, we are going to have some minor rock chips on the front bumper. There's a chip here on the hood, a light little scratch. Do have some bubbling here on the front of the hood. There's a small ding here on the front passenger side. It looks okay. Tire tread is good. Tire tread's good. Not seeing anything on this side to point in. There's a light scratch right there on the passenger door. It does have leather interior. It's very, very windy out here today. I hope you can hear what I'm saying. Seat works fine. Do have power. Where's this? Seats look to be in good condition. Light scuffs on the trunk bumper. It does have stow-n-go seats. Let's see which ones that we want to push here. Not sure. Gotta hold the button in. Let's do the right one. We're going to do stow-n-go on this one. Goes all the way down. Let's see, we're going to pick this one. What this one's doing here. We'll have to come back to that one. Let's go ahead on the side. Light scratches on the rim. The tire tread is good. Light scratches on the driver rim. Tire tread is good on that one also. No rips or tears in the seats. Driver's seat, options properly. Shut the trunk lid here. We have navigation. heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. We do have cold AC blowing right now. Go through the fan functions. On auto. Everything works there. We have cruise control, Bluetooth. Let's go look at those. One touch front windows. Let's go with this one. In the rear. Function as they should. Let's see what we want to do here. Oops. Okay. Opens and closes. We're not going to take it all the way. Trying to figure out here. There we go. What button to push? Opens and closes. Stereo works. We have auto headlights. Trying to see if I missed anything here. We are showing 146, 178 on the mileage. There are no check engine lights on. The red light is the seatbelt. I don't have the seatbelt clipped. Test. Again, this is a 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. Stop by and see it at 9th Street Auto Plaza, located at 800 West 9th Street, Mount Carmel, Illinois. Contact us at 618-450-2600. You can also get on our website and check out the free Carfax report at 9thstreetautoplaza.com.